Hey everyone, and welcome back to Practical QA. Today we're tackling a question that's been buzzing around the QA community like an unhandled exception for some time now. Is manual testing dead? With the rise of automation tools, DevOps, AI, and lightning-fast CI/CD pipelines, it's easy to see why some might think manual testing is a dinosaur in a world of rockets. Automate everything is the mantra. And yes, automation is incredibly powerful for speed and efficiency. The reality check: manual testing is evolving, not dying. But here's the reality check: manual testing isn't dead, it's evolving. Think of it less like a race against automation and more like a crucial partner. Automation handles the knowns, the regressions, the high volume checks. But what about the unknowns? The user experience, the intuitive flow, the edge cases automation might miss. This brings us to our first crucial role for manual testers: exploratory testing. This is where human intelligence truly shines. You're not just following a script, you're investigating, experimenting, and discovering. For example, imagine an e-commerce site. Automation can check if add to cart works, but a manual tester might try adding an item, then changing the quantity rapidly, then navigating to a different product page and back, observing how the cart behaves. They might notice a subtle UI glitch or a performance lag that no automated script was designed to look for. Next up, usability and user experience, or UX, testing. Automation can't tell you if your app feels clunky, confusing, or frustrating. Only a human can. We're talking about the emotional response a user has to your software. Example, a banking app. Automation confirms all transactions go through, but a manual tester might find that the font size on the transaction history is too small for seniors, or that the navigation path for setting up a recurring payment is overly complex. These are critical issues that impact adoption and user satisfaction, and they're almost impossible to automate effectively. Then there's ad hoc testing, often seen as creative chaos, but it's incredibly valuable. This is where you test without formal test cases, using your intuition and experience to find defects. It's especially useful for quick checks on new features or after bug fixes. An example for that: a developer just pushed a small change to a login page. An automated suite will check the basic login flow, but an ad hoc manual tester might try logging in with an expired session, or hitting refresh mid-login, or even trying to inject special characters into the username field, just because they have a hunch. This often uncovers vulnerabilities or unexpected behaviors that a rigid automated script wouldn't even conceive of. How manual testers can survive: skills for the future. So how do manual testers not just survive, but thrive in this evolving landscape? Develop strong critical thinking and intuition. Question everything. Anticipate problems and think like a user. Become a user advocate. Understand your users' needs and pain points. Embrace automation, understanding its capabilities and limitations, and how to work with automated tools is crucial. Learn to prompt AI to generate test cases, for example. Specialization. Focus on areas like performance testing, security testing, accessibility testing, where human insight is often irreplaceable. What are your thoughts on the future of manual testing? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more practical QA insights, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.